My name is Lakpa. I'm 12 years old. I live in Thane. When the second earthquake is coming, we were in the school. We is reading the book and we ran outside. I felt frightened. School was closed for 15 days. We were unable to use classroom and we studied in the tent.
During designing phase of this school, we had an assessment team try to find what kind of design is suitable for those areas, from the upper Khumbu to the lower Khumbu. Then the design was similar with traditional, but we tried to strengthen the different parts. We have used different bands, different concrete bands with reinforced concrete. These are the horizontal bands, and these are vertical bands. And the purpose of using these bands is to reinforce and strengthen the wall during the earthquake. And we have used the cement mortar with the locally available stone, and which prevents stones to fall down during the earthquake from the existing wall. After the devastating earthquake, the children, they are in their safer classrooms so that they can feel they are safe and they can learn in a better way. And not only children, their parents also happy to have this kind of projects under the rebuilding programs. After completion of these buildings, we are very happy now. I would like to thank to Himalayan Trust New Zealand and its supporters.
I like new classroom because the classroom is nice and safe. Thank you to everyone to rebuild my school.